say AI Companion.
Chapter 2 is about PaintPot. This particular app is an excellent one because it allows us to work with canvases, screen arrangements, and we're even going to touch on using variables.
Is that because of
so without any further ado, let's just jump right in, and you'll notice, of course, that what we're going to cover in the screencast is a little bit different than what's in the book, largely because we're using App Inventor 2.
Here in the designer,
and I am using my own device here. I'm connected via Wi-Fi.
When the app opens up,
well, actually, I'm not actually connected right now, but I'm
if I
going
go
to
in
connect to
and set a
Wi-Fi.
value,
Let's start with a new project.
So if I go back
We're
to
going
my
to call it
phone, the device, and
And notice that when
class,
whatever name I use here is what the app will show up on my device. So if I called this Rich,
and then I
it would show up as Rich here, and I wouldn't be able to change that name.
Now, the modified response
if I resaved
a couple of
it
things.
would show up with a different
It has
okay, so
saved
PaintPot is
on my
important here.
device.
I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to right away go in and change this name so we can see it
stores it
on our screen when it comes
up. Now it's in here.
And I typically like to set the arrangement
back
to be screen open, screen orientation. I like that to be portrait, so when I tilt it, it doesn't rearrange itself, right? So here, if I do this, when I flip it, it stays the same, okay? So we've got this name, which is screen 1, and that is because this component is called screen 1. This component you can't rename. If I add other screens, which we'll talk about later, not in the screencast, you can change those, but screen 1, this can't be changed, but the text of it, which is right here, screen 1 text, I'm going to call this PaintPot. And I'm going to put exercise. Notice that there is spaces. Spaces are allowed here, okay, so that's fine. Now let's connect to my device. Let's say connect. We're going to say AI Companion. And then I'm going to take my phone.